In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gemini AI for resume help. By the end, you'll know how to get a strong, AI-assisted first draft of a manager resume, then polish it so it's truly yours. First, open your Gemini account. If you're new, create an account with a secure password and complete any basic setup steps. If you already have one, just sign in. Make sure you're on a trusted device and a modern browser so everything runs smoothly. You don't need to share any private details yet. This is just about getting into the workspace where you'll write your prompt. Next, it's time to enter your prompt. Think of Gemini like a professional writing assistant. It does best when you're clear and specific. Type a request such as, create a professional resume for a manager role. Emphasize leadership, team development, operations, and measurable results. If you know the industry or role level, include that too, like retail, hospitality, tech support, or operations, and whether you're entry-level, mid-level, or senior. You can also guide the tone. Professional, concise, and achievement-focused usually works well. If you have particular strengths, mention them, for example, budget management, cross-functional collaboration, or process improvement. The more context you give here, the more tailored the draft will be, but avoid entering sensitive personal data at this stage. Now, wait patiently while Gemini generates the content. It typically returns a complete structure with a professional summary, key skills, experience bullets, education, and sometimes certifications. Give it a moment to finish. It might refine the text as it processes. When the draft appears, scan for overall clarity and structure. Make note of any sections that look generic or that you'll want to personalize later, like job titles, company names, dates, and specific accomplishments. Finally, copy the draft and transfer it into your preferred document editor so you can refine it and add your information. Paste it into a word processor or a clean text document. Replace placeholders with your real details, including accurate job titles, locations, dates, and quantifiable achievements. Strengthen the bullets by leading with action verbs and numbers. For example, increased quarterly sales by 18%, or led a team of 12 across 2 locations. Check margins, fonts, and spacing so it's easy to read, and aim to keep it to 1 page if you have under 10 years of experience. Proofread carefully, run a spell check, and export a final PDF for applications. That's it. Open Gemini, enter a clear prompt for a manager resume, wait for the draft, then copy it into your own document and personalize it. With these steps, you'll turn a solid AI draft into a compelling, job-ready resume.